To provide affordable excavators to the locals, this open-air repair shop saw an opportunity. They purchased many near-scrap excavators from China at low prices and were able to resell them after a series of repairs. Take this old excavator, for example. It was abandoned due to a cracked chassis steel plate. However, replacing the steel plate in Pakistan can make it functional again. While the idea is straightforward, the process is complex because the damaged steel plate is on the bottom. First, the workers must separate the body from the chassis and then flip the entire chassis over. Next, they skillfully remove the bearing wheel bolts and manually lift the heavy bearing wheels. Usually, a project of this magnitude requires a team effort. After removing the bearing wheels, another technician cuts out the damaged steel plate. Finally, with some hammering and prying, they successfully detach the old steel plate. Another technician cuts the replacement steel plate to speed up the work. The division of labor among Pakistani repair workers is evident here. The cut steel plate needs to be straightened on a hydraulic press. Without using a level or ruler, the technician relies on his eyes for accurate measurement, ensuring everything is precise. Next, they align the new steel plate with the chassis and weld it in place. The technician's welding skills are impeccable, quickly and securely attaching the steel plate to the chassis. Then, they reassemble the bearing wheels. Since the new steel plate doesn't have pre-drilled bolt holes, they must carefully measure and mark the bolt hole positions based on the bearing wheel alignment. This step is crucial for the stability of the excavator's chassis. After ensuring all bearing wheels are level, they accurately mark the bolt hole locations. The technician tacks welds to fix the positions to prevent misalignment during drilling. Once secured, they proceed with drilling the holes. After drilling, they remove the bearing wheels again to tap the holes. Although the entire assembly process is tedious, the workers are enthusiastic and diligent. Once everything is prepared, they reassemble and tighten all the bearing wheels bolts, completing the chassis repair. Using a crane, they flip the chassis back to its original position, revealing the repair work. The weld seams are elegant. They apply a generous amount of grease to the turntable to ensure smooth and durable rotation. Finally, they back the body onto the chassis using the crane again. With several workers' cooperation, they align and secure the body to the chassis by tightening the bolts. The technician enthusiastically tests the body rotation to ensure it's working correctly, then reattaches the tracks and other components. The excavator repair is now complete. Although old, it will still function satisfactorily under normal use conditions.